Uber referral code. So in my account, if I go in an account in the like top part, there is invite friends to Uber. Each of you will get this amount of 55 Uber rides. So this is Swedish krona. I don't know. It's amount like around $15. So yeah, feel free to use my code. This is my code in the bottom. So for each friend you successfully invite to complete their first Uber trip, you will get this amount of your next 5 Uber trips. So basically you will get 600 SEK for each referral. So it's almost like $100, right? So you get this for the next 5 Uber trips, and then offer valid for first 30 days. And then if you use my code, you also get this discount for valid for 30 days. So yep, this is a win-win deal for you. So just feel free to use my code and just enter this code. It's a really amazing deal if you're using Uber a lot. And definitely try it out. Again, you need basically you can refer anyone who has not already booked and completed an Uber trip. So basically, you should be a new Uber user. So if you're already using Uber, I don't think you can basically use this referral code. So if you have some friends, who don't have Uber account, but located in the city where there is Uber, they can save some money for sure. So use my referral code.